Hey guys, I'm Megan from WTI, and if you don't have a shacket yet, I'm gonna tell you why you absolutely need one. I am in love with this one by Lviefent. It is the medium-sized khaki shacket, and I am about 5'3" and approximately 150 pounds. So as a petite person, I was super impressed with how this shacket fit me. It is not too long in the sleeves, so when I'm wearing them down, it doesn't extend past my hand. And honestly, it is not too long in the back either. It just covers the bum, which is a perfect length for me. So if you are petite, this is definitely the type of shacket you want to get for yourself. I love the button details on it, as well as the pockets in the front to add extra style to it. You can tell that this is such a soft material. It is really well made and not itchy or scratchy at all when you wear it. Overall, I am in love with this shacket. I love how cozy it feels. I love how perfectly it fits me. So if you're looking to get a shacket, I 100% recommend this brand, and that's my point of view.